All right, guys, we're here at Arte. We're looking at this room. This is gonna be the River Suite in Casa de la Musica. If you do get the River Suite, it'll either be in Musica or it'll be in Pyramide. Come with me. Let's take a look here. All right, so we got first off here the double sink for you and your loved one. There's a few drawers down here as well. Comes with your hair dryer. Get that hair blown off. We've got some tissues down here in the second drawer. And then, oh look, there's a whole bunch of little knickknacks in here. We've got a comb, toothbrush, if you forget your toothbrush. They come with 2 toothbrushes actually. I thought they only came with 1, which is nice. Yeah, that's nice. Some toothpaste, a vanity kit, shower cap, a loofah, razor. And all this they show as from the Musica spa. So if you guys want to do hydrotherapy or, you know, massage or something, feel free to always do that. Coming over here on the left side, we've got a few extra things as well. We've got your, what is it, Buchal mouthwash, I'm assuming. Some cream. And of course we've got the big old tub. Do I need to get in?
Jacuzzi tub. Yeah.
We need to see.
Let's see.
All right, guys. I'm about 6'7", about 250 pounds. So let's see how I look in here. Like a baby.
You do make it look small.
Also with the bubbles, you also get, in the middle of the video, they have service for drinks and services you can always get. So they'll come to your door, they'll replenish. I'm assuming daily, so which is really good. So, what's this say?
Yeah, what's the English side?
English side is flip to the mark, approximate time 30 minutes, then turn on the jets.
Jacuzzi tub.
Pretty fancy, pretty fancy.
I'm about to get in that tonight.
We've got your standard bathroom in here, and it's pretty cool. Pretty basic. I really like that they separate the toilet from the shower to the tub, sink, so people can do things while other people are doing other things, if you know what I mean. And I think if you show this window here.
Can't see him? Now you see him.
We've got a nice little, like a little stone ledge right here you can sit down in and put some stuff in, some hangers up top, hang some stuff, and then we've got the shower there. Really nice shower, panels on the bottom, really open sides for all the big bodies out there. You got plenty of room. And then we do also have your typical safe, your slippers. You actually get a cool little sewing kit and a shoe cleaning cloth, which is really nice. A few extra drawers, doesn't look like anything's in there. Some extra pillows, some comforters, and then on the left side over here, you get the giant tote bag. This tote bag you can use anywhere on the property, and the nice thing about it is you can take this beach tote with you. So hold on to that, take that home. You guys paid enough for this property. You should take it home.
We paid enough for them.
Unfortunately, what you can't take home though is the bathrobes.
Those are nice.
You get two bathrobes that you can take home, or you can't take home. So don't do what I just said. And of course, you get your ironing board. You get your iron. You get a scale down there, and yeah, it's pretty sweet. All right, our room is a double. We have a double bedroom. They don't have a guarantee of if you get a king size bed or like two double size beds, so it's really just what's available at the time. If you do have like an upgrade, or if you want to upgrade your room, I think they have more guaranteed options there, but we opted for the 2 double beds for the better visual of the balcony view, which I'll show you guys towards the end of the video. Mainly because it's at nighttime we're filming this, so I'll show it to you guys in the daytime. Maybe I'll get some shots of it at night if you can see it and if the camera can pick it up. But that's all lovely thanks to my wife there. As in my other video, I discussed kind of the troubles we had on our first day on arrival. So if you guys do want to see some more information on that, you know, click on that video. But of course they have the TV here. You've got your, see what's in these drawers here. Oh, looks like nothing's in any of these drawers. A lot of drawer space, which is really nice. What's the chances that there's a Bible in here? What's the odds?
Good. 100%.
No.
That's only an American thing?
No bibble. You get a table with two seats here. They have like a little his and hers. Boys blue with the bigger backside, girls shorter with the pink, I guess. You get two little small tables here. You can do as a double table. An extra sofa that I believe can be pulled out as a bed too if you had more company with you. And then, of course, you need the snack and drinks table. You've got all these little snacks here. All little snacks. All of this is all inclusive, and you do get to take all of this home, as well as you get your bottled waters. You get all your drinks there, and your fridge with all the drinks and all the necessities you need to survive. They also do provide you with 2 water cups as well. These are not insulated, they're just plastic cups, but always good to have. You know, gotta stay hydrated out here in this weather. All right, guys, it is now daytime, and I wanted to show you the amazing balcony. Here we go, look at this. All right, guys, so that is the River Suite for Xcaret Arte. Let me know your thoughts down below, what you liked, what you didn't like, if you do a River Suite or pick another suite. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Later.